Well, the IMF says financial risks are increasing in the face of easy monetary policy. The fund raising the alarm at its spring meetings with the World Bank in D.C. Yahoo Finance's Aikiko Fujita is still down there. She's joining us now live from that IMF meeting site. Aikiko.
Well, Julie, the message we've heard from the IMF here at the spring meetings is that it's not time to panic just yet, but that window to get the global fiscal house, if you will, in order is narrowing pretty quickly. And they've highlighted some key issues over the last few days. At the top of that list has been growing corporate debt. Here in the U.S., of course, we've seen that GDP to debt ratio at record levels. But the IMF says when you look globally at 70% of those systemically important countries, well, the risk in the corporate sector has been elevated with the creditworthiness of borrowers deteriorating quickly. We had a chance to speak with Fabio Natalucci, who co-authored the IMF's Global Financial Stability Report. He talked about those concerns there, and I asked him, increasingly with that corporate debt rising, how that could amplify the shocks to the global financial system. Take a listen.
We think that the shock to the corporate debt could be an amplification of the downside, essentially. So there could be a credit crunch, there could be less credit available, or credit would be much more expensive. So in that case, the downturn would be amplified, so magnified by this vulnerability. And that's our call for taking action now, when there is time to take some of this action.
And one of the things that Natalucci pointed to in terms of what exactly that action some of these countries need to take is, and he said that, number one, they need to avoid rolling back regulatory reforms and build what Christine Lagarde has repeatedly called this fiscal buffer. And that's important because increasingly central banks are running out of tools to help maneuver the economy in the case of a further slowdown globally. Now, we're going to hear a lot more from central bankers this afternoon at a panel session. Mark Carney, the governor of the Bank of England, as well as Stan Fisher, the former vice chair at the Fed, as well as Elvira Natalucci, Elvira Fabioluni, I should say, who is the central bank governor over in Russia. He's going to be speaking at a panel session later this afternoon. We'll, of course, bring you sound from that in our coverage later this afternoon. Back to you.
Aikiko, thank you.